Back to Nunu. Banquero for three.
Yeah, big shot.
Oh! Puts it up and in! Chris Banquero with a three!
Lamang ng apat ang Meralco with 25 seconds remaining. On their way to beat SMB sa Game 2 para magkaroon ng 2-0 advantage sa series.
With this one.
Well, it's either you go for a quick 2, but most likely they will go for a quick 2 unless Marshall ever.
Go to CJ. CJ fires the three. Oh! He drains the three! Oh, that's dangerous. Oh, Banquero gets fouled in that play. But that was a dangerous pass. Oh, Banquero misses the first one.
That's to make a basket.
Banquero makes the second. No timeouts remaining for the Beermen. CJ has it. Marshall steps back for the lead. Oh! Marshall puts it up and in! Oh my goodness! They don't have time. CB. That's a screen. Banquero drives, layup. CB. Oh, that rolls out! CJ gets it! And that is the ball game as Meralco loses this one. And the Beermen wins this in amazing fashion.
Well, that's Meralco Bolts for you. For most of their franchise these days, kilala sila for exactly that. Yung team na laging naha-heartbreak or yung nasa receiving end ng mga legacy-defining moments. Kung meron akong word na gagamitin to describe them, it would be malas. Sila yung team na makikita mong mag-i-improve, magpa-perform, pero pagdating sa big stage, for some reason, lahat ng bagay nag-i-stack against them. Kumbaga sila yung Brandon Knight ng mga teams. Pero this time, sa final series na to, mukhang iba ang ihip ng hangin. May kakaiba sa Meralco team na to. Yung mga kaganapan ng Game 2, that's heartbreaking enough to break a team's morale and energy. Pero sa Game 3, sobrang composed ng Meralco e nakabawi sila sa sarili.
Do not give Marcio an open look.
Marcio, tough three-point shot. Good line, Marcio. The second effort is a miss as well. Junmar loses the basketball. CJ to Chris Ross. One last attempt, no good, and that will do it. The Meralco Bolts lead the series 2-1.
Wow, what a game. It just went back and forth. You know, this game was so close.
Coming off a disappointing season including a 1-10 record sa Philippine Cup, Meralco had the 4th overall pick nung 2015 PBA draft. Ginamit nila yung 4th pick na yon to draft Chris 𝗂𝗏 from Ateneo. E nung season na yon, the team immediately saw success. Especially nung Governor's Cup, si Chris 𝗂𝗏, even as a rookie, performed like he really belonged in the PBA. Sa rookie year niya sa PBA, he played a total of 51 games in which he averaged 12.1 points, 4.7 rebounds, and 3.9 assists per game. And as a rookie, nakarating kagad si 𝗂𝗏 sa biggest stage, sa PBA Finals. Sa series na yon, it was against crowd favorite Barangay Ginebra na ang huling championship pa ay noong 2008 pa. They were hungry for a championship. Ilang taon na rin silang binabansagan na kangkong. Pero this time, sa conference na to, parang iba rin ang ihip ng hangin sa Barangay. For many years, parang may kulang. Pero because of this guy, yung player na na-draft right after 𝗂𝗏, because of his play na talagang bigay todo, parang nagbalik yung tunay na NSD energy. Now, para sa Meralco, of course, wala silang pake. They're here to prove a point and to introduce themselves. Nanalo sila sa games 1 and 3 and have secured a 2-1 series lead kontra sa Ginebra. Because of their performance, deservedly so, Chris 𝗂𝗏 won Rookie of the Year and Allen Durham won Best Import. Things were looking great for Meralco and they were up 74-58 to start the 4th quarter sa Game 4 pagkatapos ng dunk ni Cliff Hodge. They were 12 minutes away from being up 3-1 kontra sa Barangay.
JJ off the mark. Pag-iwan naman ang atake. Iniwan for Kirby. Andun si Karam. JJ!
Wow! Happy birthday, JJ! You're making play!
Pero for some reason, the universe decided na it's time for a Mark and JJ legacy-defining moment as Ginebra outscored Meralco 30-12 sa 4th quarter.
That's definitely going to pump up this crowd.
Of course, the 39 explosion.
Mark Tagiwa, crossover. Jumper! that? Oh!
Oh my, JJ!
Shoot, naka-advance, turnaround jumper. Oh!
What a big time play.
Hans tumanggap. Naka-Newsom. Newsom. 2 to go. What's Newsom gonna do? Take the jumper. And he missed at the buzzer. The defense ng Barangay Ginebra.
Ginebra will then proceed to win Game 5, and in Game 6, si Justin Brownlee nag-ala Michael Jordan. So later in that game, sa Game 6, tabla ang score, few seconds remaining, and siguro naman dito, alam na natin ang mangyayari. Unfortunately, hindi yan yung huling beses na mangyayari yan sa Meralco. Sa mga sumunod na taon, Meralco always had chances. Pero for some reason, lahat ng chances na yon, either hindi sila pinalad, nagkaroon ng mga iconic performances yung mga kalaban nila, or just straight up fumbled their chances. 8 years later, Meralco found themselves against Ginebra once again. Game 7 to. And once again, their backs were against the wall. Down sila ng 11 points sa Game 7, and you never really want to be down that big, especially sa ganitong klaseng laro. Pero instead of folding under the pressure, nag-respond lang Meralco.
Drive inside. What a pass! Banquero for 3. What a play by Poquito! And Meralco will defeat Barangay Ginebra in a 7-game series for the first time in the franchise's history.
They finally beat Ginebra, and mag-a-advance ang Meralco sa finals to face the mighty 𝗵𝗃. Honestly, itong series na to, everyone was rooting for Meralco kasi the series meant more than just Meralco winning their first title na matagal na nilang pinaghihirapan. It was also a statement tungkol sa power balance ng teams or the lack thereof sa PBA. Buong series, it felt like Meralco were always the better team. Ang sagot kung bakit? Coaching. After years of leadership under Coach Norman Black, Meralco decided na kailangan nila ng bagong scenery, and made Coach Nena then Coach Luigi lead the charge para sa Bolts. The team felt more alive. They ran faster sets, mas umiikot ang bola, and everyone looked more focused than ever. And now, it's Game 6. Lamang ang Meralco ng 5, 78-73, with under 30 seconds remaining.
Will try again. They go to Nunu, and Nunu scores!
He just can't give.
After ilang years of failure, Meralco is now closing in for their first championship ever. Ito na yun chance. After ng timeout ng San Miguel, pinakita sa live television tong graphic na to, which perfectly encapsulated sa kung gaanong kahalaga mga susunod na segundo na to para sa Meralco. Enciso inbounds the ball to Fajardo, lead down to 3. Familiar situation. Meralco having the advantage, the edge, and the lead. Mau-overcome na ba nila ang malas or mapafumble pa rin ulit nila?
Oh, what a turnover here! Controliano pulls up for 3, short! Controliano has it again! Now Simon Enciso spin it out to Marshall Lassiter. Marshall pulls up! No good there! What a ball game!
I thought San Miguel had a layup there.
Who do they turn to here?
Oh, they need to let it go. They go to Junmar Fajardo. Junmar pulls up for 3. Oh, Junmar Fajardo gets the biggest 3 of the night!
All of a sudden, the score was tied. After a highly contested Junmar Fajardo step-back 3-pointer, unang 3-point field goal niya all series long. Sino mag-aakala? At ngayon, Game 6, tabla ang score, few seconds remaining.
Here we go. Banquero to Newsom. Newsom with a shot. And Newsom scores! Newsom
No more timeout for San Miguel.
Junmar needs to shoot. And Junmar doesn't get it. And Meralco wins their first ever franchise title.
We all talk about what Chris Newsom has done in his career. The only thing missing probably is a PBA Championship. Chris responded by hitting the game winner. The championship winner.
So I'ma put it to the test. I root for the underdog. I shoot when the buzzer call, that's the buzzer beater. See, I'm the ventriloquist, and y'all are my puppets, dog. Y'all my cousin Skeeter. I just wanted some big rings since I was 15. Hands up for the winning team. We the winning team. We the winning team. I got the snake in me. Venom in my veins now. I got the snake in me. Black Mamba in the game now. This ain't about bravery. It's about winning chips. It's that feeling you